Hello everyone, this is Carol. In the previous videos, we have learned a lot about text effects. Today, I will take you through a slightly more complex but highly creative text through foot effect. Just follow steps in the video and you can quickly achieve it. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, we need to prepare an image material, preferably one with a clear subject, like a photo of food, such as this or this. This makes it easier for us to cut out the image. Then we go to this website. Upload the image you want to cut out, and the website will automatically do it for you. Then click here to download it. Now we open VideoProc. And if you haven't downloaded it, use the link in the description box down below to free download the software. Since our image is vertical, we click here to choose line to 16. Then we click here. Scroll down to find this text template. Then we click here. Enter the desired text. For example, Apple in this case. Modify the font. Adjust the font size to 300. Change the outline color to white. And click here to save a screenshot. Next, go back to editing page. Change the text to white and outline to black. Save another screenshot. Now, let's assemble the materials. Click here to create two overlay tracks. Place the original material on the main track. Then, in the inspector on the right, find Transform and click here to align by height. Next, place a cut-out image on the second overlay track. Again, choose Align by height. Place solid text on this layer as well. Align its height. If the text and the main subject don't overlap, adjust them here for better effect. Then, find blur mode and select Lighten. Move on to the outline text and place it on the last track. Repeat the previous steps. If you have adjusted the position earlier, input the same position information here to ensure perfect alignment. Don't forget to modify the blur mode to lighten as well. Now, let's add some motion effects to the text. Select the text. Click on Motion. Add a keyframe at the starting position. Restore the display area. Next, at the 1 second mark, add another keyframe. Set speed transitions to speed down. And go back to first keyframe. Move the position to the left and out of the frame. Let's play and see. Well, now the text has a right to left entrance animation. Next, let's apply the same operation to the other text. I will do it quickly here. Alright, let's play and see the result. Well, not bad. That's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!